What's going on, everybody? Got some breaking news for you. I know it's been a while since you heard from me, but my charges were finally dismissed last week. And I'll tell you, these police officers get dumber and dumber and dumber as time goes on. So, thanks to the hard work of CJ Grisham, we were finally able to access the body camera and the police report. Now, I can't share the police report with you because there's some stupid law to where I could be arrested and held in contempt for displaying the police report until the case is over. That's just how bad it is here. They'll arrest you, but when you want to see why exactly you were arrested, it's a crime to view that report, apparently. But anyways, in the police report, the lady left out the part where I was told to stand in the street. And by the way, we still got to battle the ticket. It ain't all the way over yet. And claims that I've shined a flashlight in her face, but in the body camera footage, I never had a flashlight. There was no flashlight seized from me when I went to the jail. And it's just amazing how the body camera will show one thing and the police report will show something totally different. And I think part of the problem is they never get charged with false police report. In Texas, that is a crime, filing a false police report under Title 8, Chapter 37. And the only person breaking the law in this is the judges and the police officers. And these sorry attorneys that would not even let me see the body camera footage even though they had access to it. And the police report. They wanted to keep all that hidden because even in the first line, they even said I was arrested for filming. They don't have a clue what the law is. And it just keeps getting worse and worse up here as far as the police go. We've even seen circumstances where a police officer will be watching multiple crimes get committed, such as public intoxication, terroristic threats, impersonating a police officer. And instead of arresting the person who's committing crimes in plain view, they arrest the guy that's filming. I'm not sure if this case is still going on or not, but it's just some totally corrupt pieces of crap we're dealing with up here, guys. And it's been very expensive. I've had to work hard to hire an attorney of my own because I was denied the right to represent myself, which is a violation of your Sixth Amendment rights. And if you guys are ever looking for an attorney and you live in the DFW area, do not hire Tim Mckay. Or excuse me, Roy Keith Mckay is his name. This guy does not let you view your discovery. He does not file no motions. He won't let you view the police report. This guy was nothing more than a stooge for the district attorneys and the judges to cheat. They did not want me to be able to view the body camera footage. They did not want me to be able to represent myself. They did not even want me to see the police report made about me. And before, I was actually scheduled to go to trial this month, but CJ Grisham came in and got the case dismissed. So, you know, big shout out to CJ. And if you guys need an attorney and you're dealing with civil rights violations and you got it on video and you're innocent, I'd call CJ Grisham. There ain't no DFW attorney that could carry his jock strap, in my opinion. And whenever I went from Roy Keith Mckay to CJ Grisham as my attorney, if we're talking NFL terms, I went from Nathan Peterman to Tom Brady. But this has been a very expensive battle, y'all. I'm gonna leave my PayPal and my Cash App down in the description. You guys could donate. I know times are hard, but you know, it'd really help. And I'm gonna show a little video for you guys today that I had stumbled across to show exactly what these so-called defense attorneys really think about you. And I'm telling you, it is disgusting. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe, that like button, and share the video. But I appreciate everybody that supported me through this. You know, it's been a tough battle, but we finally won. And I'm extremely grateful for that. And I was very fortunate to have the representation that I had. But anyways, y'all, here's the video. Let's get into it.
Your case is a flop. Why ass time? I'm giving all that I got for this body ass time. Step on the top, make it drop for this body ass time. Fucking what? Whiny ass clients. Ain't your money in the
Wish I could do that.
whiny ass clients.
Wow. These are some very, very sick people. Now, I believe the lady that was singing is a family court lawyer who is basically making fun of her clients that in a lot of cases are fighting to get their children at the brink of losing their children, so they're forced into having to pay these people to represent them to get their kids back or through divorce matters, etc. And I can promise y'all one thing. No Tarrant County attorney has ever got $1 out of me. And there you go, Tabitha Brown. You can put your money in the bag for these pieces of shit whenever you become a defendant in the near future.
If you're still with us, this brings you to intermission. Please take a moment, have yourself a cocktail upstairs. Please remember all our bartenders are volunteers, so tip and tip nicely. We will be back in just a few minutes, and keep in mind, the more you drink, the funnier we are.
Well, I for one didn't find it funny at all. And here's one of the people that was there. His name's Paul Youngblood. He's a defense attorney. And he has been accused of sending nude photos of himself to one of his clients. And I have somebody that's in contact with the lady now to grant us access to those photos. And once I have them, they will be getting released. And we'll see who's whining then. And here's a judge that was seen there. Her name is Judge DeVos, along with Brandon Turnage, who is a paralegal for Coons Fuller law firm. And you can see the judge here standing next to Sharon Wilson, who got exposed very badly, probably worse than any other district attorney in Tarrant County history. All pieces of shit as far as I'm concerned. And last is Judge Jesse Navarez. Now tell me why anybody would want to vote for you after you're seeing an event with taxpayer money scattered all over the place, basically mocking everybody of Tarrant County. Are you stupid? What kind of bozo clown world are we living in where somebody like this would be considered honorable? But anyways, y'all, my criminal charges got dismissed. And Tabitha Brown, we're looking forward to seeing you in court here pretty soon for that obstructing the street ticket. All I can tell you is you better show up to court, or the judge is going to have no other option but to throw it out because you have a constitutional right to face your accuser. But maybe she'll be hiring one of these stooge attorneys in the near future when she becomes a defendant. And you will be facing charges sooner than later. But anyways, y'all, that's the end of the video. Be sure y'all smash that thumbs up if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. It's free. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Later.